Did you know when you purchase tickets or a package with Disney World, that alone won't get you into the parks? You need a Disney account. So, where do you get one and how do you use it? Keep watching. Hello, and welcome to the Smart Moms Plan Disney YouTube channel, where we ask the question, why plan alone? There are a few steps you will need to take to make sure your account is set up properly, and we will go through those in detail in this video. First, you will go to mydisneyexperience.com and create a profile. Then you will create a friends and family list, link your reservations and tickets, make your park reservations, and manage all your plans. Overwhelmed yet? Well, my name is Stacy, and I'm here to help walk you through step-by-step of using the My Disney Experience website and the app. So stick with me. Once on the website, you're going to go to sign in or create an account. Down here to create an account and fill in all the necessary information. You can see here we've got it all filled out. And then we go to create an account. Now that we have our account, we're going to go over here to My Disney Experience. We're going to go to My Family and Friends. And we're going to add a guest. And you're going to click I'll enter their name and age, and you're going to add everyone in here that is going to be going with you on the vacation and that is on your reservation. So you can see here I have my husband, Mr. Sawyer Loves Disney, who's an adult, and I am going to manage the plans for this guest. Done. We recommend doing most pre-trip planning on a desktop or in a browser, but you can do a lot in the app as well, including adding friends and family, very similar to the steps you take on the website. Refer back to your Smart Moms agent for any questions or concerns that come up. We are always ready and willing to help out. Next, you want to link the reservation number that your Smart Moms travel agent sent to you from our sister company, Smart Moms Travel, into your My Disney Experience account. To do this, you're going to go to My Plans. From here, scroll down to Resort Hotel and link a reservation. You're going to take your confirmation number and the last name and enter them into these boxes. Once you have this all set, click Next and watch the magic happen. This matched the guests for me, but sometimes you have to match them up yourself. Just make sure you do it correctly. So under Stacy's Plans and Tickets, you can see everything linked here. Now we have our Coronado Springs Resort, my favorite moderate resort. We will be staying May 7th to the 14th. Give us a nice 8-day trip. And we are going to have 5-day base tickets, which is what I recommend for everybody for a first trip. That way you can do 2 days at Magic Kingdom and 1 day at each of the other parks. And we also have the Memory Maker on here because that is my favorite add-on. In the My Disney Experience app, there are multiple ways to link a reservation. Check them out here. Once linked, you'll be able to see your tickets right here in the app. If you are staying at a Disney Good Neighbor resort, you have to wait 72 hours to link your reservation. It won't show your park tickets in your account once linked. You will need to go to the chat feature in the app and ask the cast member to give you key passes. This will give you temporary tickets in your account so you can make park reservations. Once you arrive at your resort, you will need to pick up your hard tickets and link the number on the back into the app within 24 hours of arrival to avoid your park reservations being canceled. Your travel agent can help guide you on the best way to do this. To make your park pass reservations, you can go to the My Disney Experience, Disney Park Pass system, scroll down, make or modify park reservations, book park reservation, and you're going to choose everyone listed who will be joining you on this trip. And these are the dates that are available for us to book park reservations. Since the 7th is going to be a travel day, our first park day will be the 8th. And I think that we're going to start with Magic Kingdom. Everything looks good. And you have to read and agree to the COVID terms and conditions. And confirm selection. Depending on the situation, you may have to link your account with other family and friends. Going to go to the family and friends list and add a guest. And you can enter their name and age. Or you have two other options: import from a Walt Disney World Resort hotel reservation, or find through My Connected Guests. Once you have everything linked, you're going to want to go to your profile, down to account settings, and you're going to want to add in your phone number. Under the same profile, you're also going to want to add your payment method. This is required for making any dining reservations as well as mobile ordering. You can enter your phone number and credit card information and make any other profile changes right in the My Disney Experience app as well. In the next video, we will go more in depth with what else you can do with your My Disney Experience account. This includes making dining reservations, booking enchanting extras, ordering magic bands, online check-in, memory maker, Genie Plus, and how to use Magic Mobile to do everything the magic bands can do, such as opening the door to your room, scanning your tickets at the parks, and more. Watch for that video coming soon. Subscribe so you continue to have all the information you need to have your best vacation. Do you already have a travel agent from our sister company, Smart Moms Travel? Then you are in good hands. If you don't and you have any questions about this video and would like help planning your next vacation, click on the link in the description.